Hello viewers, welcome to Tradables.com. Today in this webinar session, we are going to talk about Tradables, and we're also going to talk about our founder, Ms. Dr. Venkatrao Gaddam. So Dr. Venkatrao Gaddam, let me give you a brief about Dr. Venkatrao Gaddam, who has started this Tradables company and who has given a platform for the traders and the investors to have an insight of the analysis of the data and empowering the traders and investors, giving the right insights. So let me give you a quick insight of about our founder. So founder has a degree of MTech and he has been working with Mindtree in Bangalore, and he has also been working with esteemed organizations like Infosys. And apart from that, he had adversed himself into, he has gone expertised into Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, where he has gained his expertise in blockchain, technical analysis, and data scientist. So apart from this, what he 14 years of journey he had carried out in his tech career, and with this journey itself, he was interested more in stock market. So with the interest of stock market, he had come up with multiple different kinds of analysis, technical analysis, and he has come up with different observations and different strategies, innovative strategies. So basis on the technical, algorithmic, mathematical calculations, we have come up with different data points which are actually going to help the traders and investors to take the right decision during the market hours. Like when you have to during the market hours, at the time of trading. So let me take a quick view of our Tradables application. So why is our Tradables application useful? So Tradables application is basically useful for stock market data analysis. And whom it is useful? It is useful for the traders and investors. So it is. So we have here different kinds of traders, like intraday traders. There are investors who are short term. There are investors who do long term investments. So keeping in mind of all these different zonars, we have come up with an application. This application is going to help you and give you an analysis. It's also going to give you insight of decision making. But however, I would like to emphasize that we as Tradables, we are not providing any kind of advice or tips, but we are only giving you the proven analysis data points. So coming to the Tradables application, so let me go to the Tradables application. So we have here a sign up option where you just need to sign up with this by giving the basic information like your name, email, phone number, and sign up with that. You will get a verification link. You click on the verification link, your email will be verified, and you will be able to log into the application. So once you log into the application, so once you log into the application, you will be noticing here the various segments like equities, indices, ETFs, index movers, heat maps, and futures, commodities, currencies, and we are also coming up with the global market like cryptocurrencies and forex. So kind of multiple things we are coming up. So once you log into the application, you will be able to see here the initial screen where we are showcasing the market momentum, how the market momentum is going on for the major indices like Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, the NSE Plus, which has the major indices of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Nifty IT. So this application is actually going to give you a quick insight, and it's actually going to help you take the right decision at the right time. And so going into the about the weekly magazine. So we have also come up with weekly magazines. So every day the magazines, we are creating certain posts where we are creating a weekly magazine from Monday to Friday. What are the insights? happening during the market hours. So these insights we are providing you in the basis of a magazine. And not only this, we are also giving you a monthly magazine. We will be coming up with a monthly magazine which will be published in the month end. So this is our weekly magazine. And we have also come up with blogs, daily blogs in our in our website. So you can go to our website and check our blogs on daily basis. So what happened on the current day? Today what happened? Like Nifty 50, like today if you can see, like Nifty 50 closes about 25,000 mark, and IT sector surge and market trend to watch. So you can actually see what is today's blog, what happened in today's market, current market analysis, and this way you can get a proper insight. Thank you.